Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these brioche buns. Let's begin. So to start, grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your bread flour along with your salt and give them to a good mix until they're fully incorporated. You can then go ahead and add in the remaining ingredients, which are the sugar, the yeast, the butter, and then the egg and the milk, and then mix on a low speed to start with until a dough has formed. It will be quite a sticky dough, so don't worry. If it looks too sticky or wet, you may want to add just a small amount of flour, but it is a softer dough. So once your dough has done mixing, you will then want to flour your surface with a good amount of flour and place your dough onto it, and then add a little bit more flour on top of the dough as it is a bit softer to work with. Then just knead until it's smooth and elastic. You can then round it off into a ball shape and then place it into a bowl which has been oiled, and then cover with cling film and leave for around an hour or until it has doubled in size. Once the dough has doubled in size, you can then flour your surface again, and then you'll want to remove the dough from the bowl and place onto a floured surface. You may add a bit of flour on top of your dough again, and then just knock it back, which is the process of removing the gases that are built up during the first proof. Bring it back into a ball shape and place onto your scales and weigh it, then divide that amount by 12, and then you'll have your amount. For me it was 85 grams per bun. So I start scaling my dough and try and get 85 grams perfectly, but I didn't do it first time, so then you just have to add and take away until you've got the perfect amount. You can then take the dough and just roll it between your hand and the work surface and roll it until it's a smooth ball, and then place onto a baking tray. I do recommend only putting 6 onto a tray, as these do proof up pretty well, so keep that in mind. You may need 2 trays. Don't forget to line them with some parchment paper, cover with cling film and allow to have their second proof until they are double in size again. And as you can tell, I've got no more footage, so I thought I'd show the end result so you'll want to bake them off. All that information will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again on Thursday with another recipe for you, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out my social medias. All of the links you need will be in the description down below, so don't forget to go and check them out, and until next time, bye guys.